Hello beautiful people, Julia here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Julia Inspired Lifestyle Channel. And on this channel, I talk about all the things you need to know to learn how to earn money, how to save money, and how to invest and multiply your money, specifically in stocks. I am a stockaholic. Hello money bosses, money makers, and smart investors. Yes, that's what I call you. Welcome to the Julia Inspired Lifestyle Channel. You know me, on this channel I tell you the things you're going to do so you can earn more money, so you can save more money, and you can also multiply your money by investing. Yes, that's what I do here. So in today's video, I want to show you how I earned $485 doing absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. Like, I just discovered this system, and it's not really new, you know, it's something that's been there. This system is being used by lots of billionaires to multiply their money. And the moment I earned $485, I said, whoa, I am going to share this video today. Like, I'm super excited, I'm pumped, and I'm so excited to do this video today. And it's been a while. Yeah, who missed me? You did? Okay, that's great. So I'm back, and I have something that I know is going to bless your life. So this video is for everyone looking to earn passive income through stocks. And if you're working towards a long-term plan, wow, you are actually in the right place. This video is perfect for beginners. Like, you are just trying to start up something by the side and you don't want to be fully involved, but you want to send your money to work for you. So that's what this video will be showing you today. And I just want to ask, have you subscribed to this YouTube channel? I'm waiting for you to click that red subscribe button. Please click on that. Do you know why? First of all, it is free. If you click on it, it doesn't take any dime from your pocket. Alright? Secondly, it helps me to make more videos. Like, it gives me like motivation. Thirdly, it helps YouTube to show this video to more people. So not just to subscribe, like this video, drop a comment and say, Julia, I got some value. So watch till the end and drop this comment for me and say, Julia, I got some value. I'll be so excited. And if you have a group of friends, please share this video around with them. It doesn't take anything to share a valuable knowledge. It makes you a good friend, okay? So let's get into it. So I already told you about this very beautiful thing that happened to me. Like, I just realized that from January to June, without doing anything, I have literally mopped up a total figure of $485 in dividends. Like, I'm not doing anything. This money just came to me. And guess what? I've reinvested all back into the business because I want to make so much more in this coming quarter. Okay? So, 3 important things that I did. First of all, I had to open a brokerage account. Like, I've been saying this for most of my videos. I've talked about, for you to invest in the stock market, you're going to have to open a brokerage account. So I have put 2 links in my description, Passfolio and Bamboo. Like, these are the 2 that I have recommended. I know that if you click on that link, it takes just 3 to 5 minutes for you to open your account and everything is set. It's super easy. You can just transfer money from your local account into your brokerage account and you can buy your stocks like today. So the information I'm sharing with you today is something that can help you in the next 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. You'll be seeing your own proof. Like, you'll be literally screaming the way I'm screaming like right now. Okay, so I'm going to teach you all I know about dividends. So what is even dividends? Dividends is like, in a simple way, a way that established companies share profits of the company with their investors. So I have shares in Coca-Cola, for example. At the end of the quarter, they give me according to the value of shares I have. So if someone has 100 shares another person has 500 shares, they cannot earn the same, definitely, on dividends. So it's according to the shares that you have that you get your own dividends, okay? So you know that not all companies pays dividends. So this is one of the reasons why we have a community. It's called the Millionaire Investors Community. In that community, you learn everything you need to know about the stock markets, the easy and simplified way. I don't need to, no BS. Everything is cut out. All right. So everything you need to know is just right there. Come in, learn, and you position very well, and you can see yourself earning good money. So the first thing I did was to pick a good brokerage account. So the link is in the description. So click on it today and get registered. Even if you don't have money, just register. The moment you have up to $25, you get some free stocks. Okay, so that's the first thing I did. And the second thing I did was to pick out my dividend stocks. All right, so there are a couple of good dividends, and there are ways to know which particular dividend you have to pick. So I just literally picked these 5 major dividends. I have more than that, but these 5 literally gave me this total sum. All right, so I picked these 5, and these are good and solid companies. Some of them I'm using their products, and I felt like these are the ones that I love their dividend yield, and I purchased some of them. And some of them pay on the monthly basis, some of them pay on the quarterly basis. So, and the beautiful thing is that the money gets straight into my brokerage account, and I get to reinvest it almost immediately. And if I want to spend it, I can just transfer that same amount straight into my bank account, and I will have my money. So interesting, so easy, and I'm not physically involved. This is the company giving me some parts of the profit back for investing in the company. So that's the second thing I did. Do you even know that Warren Buffett earned $621,000 in 2021 from Coca-Cola? Just dividends. Just dividends of 1 year. Brother, sister, you need to wake up. Tap yourself and say, what am I doing? And he started with about $10. I can't even remember, but it's not about how much he's earning now. It's about you watching this video, you that want to start changing your life today. You can start with $5, $10. You can literally start doing something. It's not how much, it's how can you start? How can you start? Okay? So you see, long-term investing is super easy. Now, I am not hoping to touch this money. All right, I'm going to be honest with you. I am reinvesting everything because I am hoping that between July and the end of the year, I should have $1,000. So from 400, I want to increase it to 1,000. So I keep reinvesting so that in the next 5 years, my dividend yield will be hitting more than $20,000. And I'm not kidding. I have the plan, and if you're in my community, I show you the simple plan, and you can get it done just where you are. Location is no more a barrier. All right, so the third one is I had bought my shares. After picking my dividends, I bought my shares, and then I just went to check all dividends have been getting paid, and I summed up the whole calculation, and I found out it was hitting $485. I was literally screaming, this is money I didn't work for, free money, right? So you see, let me tell you something. Financial literacy is so important that if you are not part of it, it is actually a necessity. So if you didn't learn anything from this video, ensure that you get on board financial literacy. You have to learn how to earn money, how to save money, and how to multiply money. So you're going to start from somewhere. That is the power of dividend investing. So that is one thing I felt like today is a new week, and I feel like I should really shake you up and get in the right track. Did this video bless you? Did you find it valuable? Please, 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 I'm sure by now you learned something fantastic, and I'm going to be naming my 5 top dividends that paid off this particular figures. I'm so excited. The first one is Coca-Cola, the second one is ExxonMobil, the third one is agency, the fourth one is royalty income, and the fifth one is Enbridge. Okay, so these are my five beautiful stocks. I have other ones, but these five are where the bulk of the money is, and they have given me so much, and I can't wait to see how the next 6 months is going to look like. In fact, the next 30 days, the next 60 days, the next 90 days, I'm super excited. Okay, and the more money I get, the more I'm putting in, so I can actually earn more. So I'm seeing real results, like it's popping. It's popping. So today, make a decision. You want to shoot us a mail, please. There's a link in the description where we have the email. Send us a mail today. You want to start, drop it in the comment section. I want to start something today. We will reach out to you and send you a mail. We are going to have a talk. Okay, it's time to get started. Change your lifestyle. See you in the next video.